Okay, not the first start, but she's warmed up now, so I'll show you what she's doing. No air filters, of course, and jury rigged on a battery with the Harley mufflers on her. Don't know whether she likes them yet or not. We'll soon work it out. All systems go. Quite tapping there. Work it out. Pretty sure they're all running. All cylinders are running. We've got some adjustments to do on the carby, of course. Yeah, seems to be running alright. Dying out at 4.5, 4. Again, that's probably because there's no air filters on there. Don't know. You guys would know better than me. Changed the oil and put a new oil filter in, so it seems to be running fairly smooth. It was tapping a bit when she first started. Every so often we get a little bit of a tap. That's about it, really. You can hear that click in the background, but again, I don't know what that is. And for some reason I've just lost throttle altogether. It's come out. Oh well. Jeez. Throttle cable's come out. Great. Okay, back to